Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and welcome back to this series of integration where we are learning integration from basics. So, one more problem, the second one which I am taking for the problems involving substitution, the technique of integration, which is substitution. So, as I have discussed, whenever you have linear thing, what do? We substitute that linear thing as t. You can take substitute that as anything as, but yes, you can always substitute that as t. Then I told you that instead of thinking much about the differentiation, just differentiate LHS with respect to x, so you get 5, derivative of 7 is 0, and because you have differentiated with respect to x, write a dx. Do the same for RHS, so you get 1 and then a dt because you have differentiated. Okay, fine enough. Now you get this relation. Now if you want simply dx, that is dt by 5. Now the integral which was looking difficult initially, now that has turned out to be sine t. Simply in place of dx put dt, take 1 by 5 outside. There we go. Integration of sine t is no more a problem for us because we already have solved a lot of problem on this. We have sine t integration equal to negative of cos t plus a constant c. Now what as I was talking about, t was your substitution. Someone else have substituted something else. So we need to put back the value of t, which is 5x plus 7 plus a constant c. So I have put up a lot of explanation in my last video as to why we do substitution, what is the need for substitution. So do watch that video also, because in this video I have not invested much of a time, just substituted this as t, and the technique we used is differentiating both sides, okay, so that we can replace, because initially if we see, if you just put this as t, this will become integration of sine t, and then you are left with dx. You can't integrate because integrand is in terms of t, this is dx, but we need to replace this dx. So in order to replace this dx, we use this result right there. So that's how we did it. Do watch my playlist integration 2023 for more such videos. Thanks again.